This demonstration shows the correct use of a WAC gauge. The main use of a WAC gauge is to determine undercut depth. To do this, place the tip in the undercut and press down on the gauge until the base sits flat on the parent material. This will show you the depth of the undercut. It is important to hold the gauge 90 degrees to the parent material in order to obtain an accurate reading. If it is tilted over, incorrect readings can be taken. This WAC also has porosity size comparison indicators. To determine the size of the gas pore, place the gauge over the gas pore and compare with the sizes marked on the unit. WAC gauges can also be used to measure reinforcement. On the end of the WAC is a scale to help gauge the length of discontinuities and their distance apart.